Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Inshot and creating a new video project. You need your clip trimmed to the approximate spot where the skull emoji will appear. Once done, tap Stickers. This is faster than text when you want precise sizing. Make sure to import any graphic assets if you plan to use a custom skull PNG. Otherwise, use your device emoji keyboard. You're acting now. Position the playhead near the intended frame so the next steps land accurately on the clip. Tap an emoji or add a skull sticker, then place it roughly where you want it on screen. You'll use 2-finger pinch and rotate to size and angle the skull. This gives visual balance versus leaving it static. Next, enable keyframe at the sticker layer to animate motion. Set a start keyframe, move the playhead, then adjust the sticker and add another keyframe. This creates smooth movement. Also change opacity or add a quick pop scale for emphasis. It reads preview the whole sequence and watch the skull through the entire playhead. Trimming or nudging keyframes fixes timing issues. If you see a jump, make sure keyframes are on exact frames and add an intermediate keyframe or use easing to smooth motion. Once satisfied, choose Export Resolution. 1080p at 30 FPS is standard, and export. If the emoji looks pixelated, replace with a higher resolution PNG or increase scale from a smaller size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.